they're like, all night long.
I did feel it. I did. I had 46 seconds.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your life. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right.
Oh my god, it sounds like a dying kitten.
If you hear that, we're not killing anyone. Amara is just washing her hair with really cold water. And it's freezing in here. What did you say? I heard, oh god, god, god.
Oh no, I did not hear that.
God is way too formal. Love is fine.
And now it's on the ground.
That never happened.
They call it snow. Here in Arizona, well, like we live in the valley, so you don't see this weird white stuff, this cold white stuff much.
What is weather?
What is weather? In the valley, we have hot, hotter, and
Construction.
nice. Yeah, and nice, but never really cold.
But I got that.
Don't look at me.
No, it was her. It was her.
That wasn't me.
Yes, it was her.
I do not know what you're referring to. I do not sing. That is my least favorite thing to do.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Oh god. You trying to prove something to me? Because I'm not, I could go like...
No.
You're hiding.
And then he's gone.
What's like a okay, when I'm a mom, it'll be like this.
Hello.
Oh, Buttons is my... Buttons is my number one fan.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, I can now do it now. Ding ding.
Hello?
I'll go. Ding ding. Ding ding.
Hello?
Ding ding.
Hello? Ding dong.
Hello. Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you sent me. Let me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay in the moments when my good times start to fade.
Hi.
Buttons is my number one fan.
What did you say?
Buttons is my number one fan.
Oh god, hi Buttons. Hello.
Buttons and me. Hello.
Wait.
Hello.
Ding ding.
Hello.
Ding ding.
Equality.
Oh god.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Marshmallow. Whoa.
Hello.
Hi. I got it. My face.
So, we are at Anime Kaigi, and we have heard suspicions of a ghost in here, and Dean didn't want to come, so I'm left all by myself with all these freaks.
Ghost him.
So, I don't, hey, it's fine.
True.
And there was this...
Oh, hello.
Empanada.
It means as you can see.
I'm a terrible, okay.
Empanada is like foggy.
True fact, yo, I can't see empanada. Lavi, I am revoking my Eric status and you shall now be Eric, so that looks more decent. Wait, how are you? Oh, wait, you're doing Eric? No, I was, but now I'm completely revoking it. You should, wait. Now I'm gonna be Max. Oh. I get to be all the animals. Why is there still a brush in my hair? Help. A brush. Send help.
Did you say there's a celebration?
No, I said why is...
Love you, Bob.
My question's for Conda. Why do you look like a woman?
Oh! I do look like a woman?
Yeah.
I was born this way.
It appears to be Lady Gaga.
I think we have started with it's Lady Gaga. That's why Lady Gaga actually always dressed like that, because it's actually Canada. Just so you know, guys. Okay. I'm in trouble. Am I in trouble? Okay. I'm so sorry, bro.
You killed him.
I know. Not me. The camera. The camera. Oh, no. Oh, wow.
Hey, don't judge.
Right?
You're like filming that way.
No, I'm filming you.
Hi. Okay.
I kill her.
It's a little uncomfortable. We think you.
I have a perfect human.
I never asked you to come here and save me. I couldn't do it all by myself.
Not drunk.
I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt.
I am.
Don't do alcohol, don't do drugs.
None of us slept.
I know.
They're drunk off Nutella.
Do Nutella. That's it. Do Nutella, that's enough.
Water, guys.
Look.
Bobby.
I'm showing the water.
Water glass I've ever seen. But I promise it's water. If we're drunk on anything, it's lack of sleep. Nutella and goldfish.
Oh yeah.
Goldfish. Color, rainbow goldfish.
Rainbow.
I'm drunk off the hook.
What is your favorite color? Rainbow?
Oh, the heck.
Hell yeah, all the way.